Listen. Can you hear all the birds? Just listen. I like birds just as much as the next guy or gal, but I don't want them all in my shop making nests, the little babies everywhere, and the bird poop. They get in through here, and they get in and they make nests. I have to get in every so often, take the nest out and put them in a safe place. Today, I'm gonna make and put an end to this, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it with pool noodles. Watch me. Okay, now that we're in the shop, I'm gonna go ahead and cut a slit all the way down the side of this thing so I can kind of fold it underneath the lip above the door. I don't know about you guys, but I can't draw a straight line on a cylinder without going crooked. So I just took some clamps, a piece of wood, and I just go through like this with a marker and make my line so my line is straight and consistent. That's what I have to do. Getting older now. Okay, so I got my line there. Once I've got my line done, I just take the caps off, take the wood, move it out the way. And now I can just go with my knife and just go straight on the black line. How about that? Right on the line, everything's straight. Straight and narrow, straight. Right on the black line, no problem. All the way through, all the way through. Okay, so see now I got the slit all the way through. It's a straight line. I'll do this for the other two, and then we'll get it out there. So what we'll do, we'll go ahead and get them underneath this lip right here. We just go all the way down to here, so little tweets can't get up in there and make bird nests. I always think safety. We'll go ahead and start squeezing it up in here. Another project under the belt. Now that we're done, I'm gonna get a bit closer and let you guys see a closer look at it. But before that, I'd like to thank you guys for following me and checking me out. I'm always coming up with some kind of way to do things cheaper, utilizing places like the dollar store or whatever. So feel free to follow Cleve Insights. Like, follow, and subscribe. So here, let's take a close look at what I've done. Here we go, guys. I just got it stuffed up there. It took 2 pool noodles and 4 inches of another one. So now the little birdies can't come to the top of the door, and everything will be just all right. See you on the next one. Bye, guys.